Hey guys, I built that. Wait. I'm just gonna go far away. Oh, yes, I don't have arrows. Sorry guys, I cannot put that. To get arrows. Here we go.
Anong establishment ang karaniwang nabibigyan ng hold up to?
Dagdagan niyo yung pangtaya ko sa mga tubutos, ha?
Pawn shop, sanglaan.
Ano lulutuin?
Okay, let's go. Play this up. Sarah, play this up, please.
Pata nga.
Pata. Mantika.
Anong establishment ang karaniwang nabibigyan ng hold up? Bakery. Bakery! Ano nga yung kukunin sa bakery? Lakas kaya kumita ng bakery. Huwag na sana umaga. Okay, maubos yung mga bibili natin. Patay. Bakery!
Hey! Yo! Right from the eye.
Convenience store.
Also, bye guys. What?
Gasolinahan.
Bye guys. Bye guys. I said bye.